Hey everyone, today I will explain to you how to use the join geometry and cut geometry and everything with the Revit. Okay, right. So first of all, I will take a wall. Okay, so architectural wall, I can able to use this one like any type of walls. So I just create one wall like this. Okay, so now I can go back to my 3D, so it's look like this. Okay, so this is my wall I created here, right? Okay, now I can go back to my window. I can use my window here. I can use my another window here. So again, I can use to my 3D view. So this is my window. It's available like this. Okay. Okay. Now, so here I can go back to architectural again. I can go to create one cladding wall. Okay. So this cladding wall, I will take go to duplicate. Okay, so CL wall. Okay, I just create the name. I can go for materials. So the cladding I can just give, and this layer I just deleted because and structural I can go for just for 10. Okay, right. So totally I have a 60 thickness, for example. Right. Okay, now I can create my wall like this. Okay, and I can flip into like this. Okay, I can go back. So this is my wall front elevation. So now I can go back to my and align this wall to here. Can go back to my 3D. So here you can find out. I already fixed my windows, but I couldn't able to find out here. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my level one. Okay, I have to select this wall, go to join. I can create the select the join geometry. So I can just join this to my wall. So now you can find out. So it will be showing like this way. So when I click this one, it's become this is a wall, and when I click this one, this is another wall. But this two is join. It's automatically the profile will cut. You understand this thing? So this is the way we can create the geometry joints to create our project easily in the especially for the claddings works. Okay, so I can go back to my section view. What will happen? I can go for section view. So you can go to wireframe, you can go for fine. See, you can find out this is our wall. So for example, I can just select this window. We can what? So this is I can go back to front plan. I can go for another elevation. I can flip it. See, now you can able to see these two different. I can flip this one, and if you want, I can just flip again. See, now it's showing like this. So I can rotate this one. So it's become a cladding with the window. It's showing here, right? So it's the easiest way we can able to create the join geometry, and we can able to fix our elements. Okay. So at the same time when I go here, so I can go for the section box, and I can go to just, I can able to show this, see how it will be working on. So this is a way it will be working. So you can find out this section, it will be working like this. So I hope you understand this. Thank you so much.